Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ramya Sri. I am going to deal the subject of computer fundamentals and Photoshop for degree first year BCom and BSc. In the yesterday session, we are completed the topic on working with layers. In the today session, we are discuss on layer styles and adjustments. How to work with layer styles. What is meant by layer style? Layer styles are used to make the layers impressively with different effects. There are various styles that can be applied to the layers. Those styles can be in the form of shadow, glow, pattern, bevel, and emboss, gradient, and so on. So these are different levels of layer styles. Those can be selected by using the layer style option in the layer menu. So in the drop shadow, having the shadow of outside the layer in the specified size and angle. Inner shadow, it shows a shadow inside the layer in the specified size and angle, and outer glow shows shining effect outside the layer, and inner glow shows shining effect inside of the layer, and bevel and emboss those shows 3D effect to the layer. And then color overlay, it fills the layer with a color, and gradient overlay fills the layer with multiple colors. Then pattern overlay fills the layer with a pattern. So these are different levels of layer styles that can be available in the layers menu and styles of a layer option. Then we can go for applying layer styles to our image. The procedure for applying the layer styles to an image is open the image and display layer palette window. Then we can click on a layer in the layer palette to apply styles. So then we can click the layer menu and click the layer styles option. Choose any layer style. It displays the layer style dialog box like this. Here we can have different styles. Those are blending options. Those are default drop shadow, inner shadow, outer glow, inner glow, bevel and emboss, contour, texture, satin, color overlay, gradient overlay, pattern overlay, stroke. These are different styles are available in the layer styles. Then drop shadow can contain structure and quality. In the structure, they could have blending mode, opacity, angle, and distance, spread, and size. These are all will be different options while available in structure. Then quality, contour or anti-adjust qualities will be displayed here, and noise also will be in the 0%, and we can mention the levels of the noise percentage. All layer styles will be adjust. Then we can click the OK button. We want to create a new style for the image. Then we can select new style tab. Then we can make the preview also in this dialog box. So in this way we can apply the layer styles and repeat all the steps for all layers. Then we can go for the topic is adjustment layer. How we can adjust the layers by using the adjustment layers. Adjustment layers controls the appearance of an image. They make images appear in a different style without changing their appearance. An adjustment layer is an idea of how an image will appear if we make changes to it. We can apply an adjustment layer to a permanent change if satisfied, or remove if not satisfied. So when the adjustment layer will be apply an adjustment layer as a permanent change, it is satisfied. Or we cannot adjustment layer is not a permanent state, we can remove. It is not a satisfaction level. So the types of adjustment layers are, the various types of adjustment layers are available in the Adobe Photoshop. Those are levels, curves, color balance, invert, threshold, and posterize. We can go for levels. Levels can be used to lighten or darken the color of an image. In the previous session also we are discussed about levels, curves, color balance, these all. Then curves. Curves can be used to adjust an entire total tonal range of an image. It uses only three variables, that is highlights, midtones and shadows. Then we can go for color balance. Using color balance option, we can adjust color levels of red, green, blue, cyan, magenta and yellow colors accurately. Then invert. This option reverses the color of each pixel in the image. If the color value is 0, it is inverted to 255 and vice versa. Then threshold, this option converts all the pixels in the image to entire black or white depending upon the brightness. Then posterize, this option is used to view an image as poster, that is colored artistically with watercolors. Now we can create a new adjustment layer here. The procedure for creating a new adjustment layer is open the image and click on the background layer in the layer palette. Here the layer palette is also be displayed like this, and we can click the new adjustment layer in the layer menu and choose the required adjustment option like invert, levels, curves, level, etc. Then it displays the dialog box like this, and give a name for the new adjustment layer and click OK button. Now the new adjustment layer is created with the specified effect. Like this we can make different adjustment layers in single image. Then we can work with adjustment layers. Click on the eye icon on the adjustment layer to show or hide a preview of changes. Then we can double click on the adjustment layer to change the settings. Then we can merge all the layers, applying the adjustment layer as permanent change. Then we can delete the adjustment layer if adjustment layer is not required. So we can work with an adjustment layer by creating or showing or hiding, or we can change the adjustment layers, or we can merge all the layers by using the adjustment layer, or we can delete the layer by using the adjustment layer. The adjustment layer is not required, we can easily delete the layer here. So these are all different performance points of working with adjustment layers. So thank you so much for watching.